Hey team, Grant Hagen here, fresh from Horizons 2025. As you can see, we have our beach gear, our fun awards that we gave out. Congrats to all the awards winners this year. We just want to say thank you for those that made it out. It continues to be one of my favorite events that we do each year. And for those that couldn't make it, we just want to make a little video to show you all the things that we announced. The first one is just our big investment into the unified platform and our core products. This was really big for our unified interface that now serves as a single workspace for all your aerial and ground data. It's one login, one system to train on, and one source of truth. We heard from our leadership team that 70% of our engineering resources continues to make improvements on the foundation of our product. The next thing we wanted to talk about was one of those improvements on the aerial side of it. Our aerial tools expanded from our flight controller for supporting new drones and it continued to provide a little features and things that you all have been asking for. Geo-references for flight boundaries to avoid hazards, overlay groups, what I'm super excited about to help organize drawings and design files in a much more organized way. Google Map tiles to provide a fresh and high quality satellite imagery as the background when you're planning those flights. I didn't even mention RTK in-flight, snapshot, plan locking, orbit. There's so many more things that we announced from our aerial side of it that we just want to continue to encourage you to check out on our blog post. Something else that we announced this year was our Pro tier of our product. And first, what we want to talk about is Aerial Pro. Aerial Pro ensures that every pilot can capture, process, and measure survey-grade data consistently, enabling reliable design comparisons, volumetrics, and quantity tracking without extra hardware or manual setup. It works analytics and splats, which I'm super excited about. Next up is our Ground Pro product. Ground Pro unifies and upgrades DroneDeploy's ground reality capture tools. It turns everyday 360 photos into accurate 3D models for verification and measurement. Now fully migrated from Struction Site, all ground products live within the DroneDeploy platform alongside the aerial data that all of you like in our new Explorer page. Ground Pro new features were things like mobile 3D scan, which I'm super excited about, with RTK, which is even more exciting for many of you who are very interested in measurements in comparison to design files like BIM. This is going to be a really exciting thing for you on our Ground Pro side of things. Next up is our Explorer page. The new Explorer page is faster, streamlined for navigation and site data. I'm telling you, this thing is snappy, it's quick, it's refined, it's all the things that you have asked us for, from maps, photos, and videos all together in one place. It's available for beta right now on our interior capture with exterior support coming early next year. This was a really exciting announcement. We had a ton of feedback from the Innovation and Genius Bar. Next up was Progress AI. Continues to automate progress tracking across the job site. Teams can capture with a drone, a 360 camera, and the system instantaneously analyzes installation by trade and location, producing progress dashboards and visual maps in minutes, not days. A lot of the other progress tools that are out there take a long time for setup and a long time for you to get that information back, to get it in your hands, to give you the speed of information very, very quickly. It is also available by voice and text, which is super exciting as well, to get instant answers. Progress AI, another great feature that I'm very excited that we announced at Horizons. Next up is the new Safety AI. Safety AI is something we announced last year at Horizons 2024. Safety AI identifies and tracks all different types of safety risks automatically, now rebuilt with much more of your feedback that you've given us since a whole year of us coming out with this product. The new version adds full customization of company-specific safety standards, which is also exciting. Instant verification and auto-reconciliation once corrections are fixed. That was a big feedback from many of you all. And then what about positive reinforcement? Safety is a huge thing that we want to continue to promote positivity on. Customers now have the ability to measure impact, which is also very exciting. We heard from many of you all that you wanted to be able to measure all these different safety elements to continue to show what progress has been made. And the availability for this is coming out very soon, early in 2026. Inspection AI captures the knowledge of your most experienced inspectors on sites, and it scales across every job site, which is very important so that teams can safely spot problems early and go ahead and make sure that the maintenance of those things may be corrected. Instead of manually reviewing thousands of images, it automatically highlights all the assets and conditions that need attention. Each asset can be tagged with an ID, creating a searchable visual record that shows full history of what it looked like, of the things that you were capturing, what's changed, what's fixed, and what is next. Experts can now review these safety issues remotely, which can now give you the ability to democratize all your different inspection information across your project teams. Another announcement we had was Embodied AI. This was incredibly fascinating. Embodied AI introduces DroneDeploy's first physical AI agent, which is a ground robot capturing data autonomously. Delivering as a robot as a service, DroneDeploy handles the setup, operation, and maintenance. The robot navigates safely using a next-generation stack of integrations with Progress and Safety AI to deliver daily updates without manual capture. It represents our first start into fully autonomous job sites powered by DroneDeploy's robotics and AI platform. Amazing things that are coming out with Embodied AI, which will be coming out early next year. We had so many different announcements at Horizons 2025, and one thing that you can do if you're curious to know more about this information is to head on over to DroneDeploy Insider. Head on over there to replay sessions, catch anything that you may have missed, and most importantly, share these with more folks on your team. All the materials are fully downloadable, ready for you to use, so you can keep the conversation going and bring these updates over to your next project. We hope to see you at Horizons next year in 2026, and be on the lookout for more information coming out soon.